That's right, I finally filmed this Alliance Valor and I was very impressed. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Alliance Valor 36V11 and I am super impressed with the quality. In fact, I'm jealous that I do not get to sell these brand new. Okay, so we took this one in on trade. If this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire fifth wheel and talk about it without special effects or editing or weird stuff, okay? Let's get started. First off, it's super windy outside, so I apologize about the background noise, but I want to at least get the weight in, okay? We're not going to be able to do the entire outside, but we can do the weight and a little walk around. Okay, first off, it's got two 7,000-pound axles. Its GVWR is 16,950 pounds with an unloaded weight of 14,076 pounds, okay? It has a 5,500 watt generator. This particular one is set up with 3 AGM batteries and an awesome inverter system. It has auto level, 2 power awnings on the camping side, fuel station, but what's really cool is they added the third awning for the back patio. Bam. Okay. Now let's get inside because it's been really windy out here and I want to try to limit the background noise. Okay, here we go. Now I apologize, it's dirty because when we took it on trade, if you're a fan of the channel or the podcast, I stayed in this thing for about 2 weeks and I enjoyed every single minute of it. There's still some of my stuff laying around. That's okay. Big screen TV, radio system, great sound system by the way. And we're not plugged in and I'm able to run the fireplace and I can turn on the TV and we're not plugged into shore power. The microwave is running, the refrigerator is running, and I've been running this for about 8 hours. And in 8 hours, we went from 300 amp hours down to 226. And that's running all the lights, and I was watching a little bit of TV, like that. Okay. So I was really impressed by that. Whoever had that installed was really had a great idea of how to dry camp. I have not tried to turn the ACs on with this system. Just the furnace, the fireplace, and other electrical. Great storage above, except for one thing. I have a complaint. I need a step stool to get up to the top shelf. So, it's not exactly short people friendly like myself. I'm only 5'9", Good space for, again, pots and pans, but Coley Brady, give me a call and tell me, you're not much taller than me. How the hell are you supposed to get stuff on that top shelf without a step stool? Good Lord. What I do like is this little extra counter space area has GFI plugs, so you can plug in like your blender, things of that nature, and it has a light. You also have little cubby holes for like your spices next to your convection microwave. Ooh, we got to turn on that light. There we go. Okay, good storage up above the microwave. 3-burner stove with, of course, a nice size oven. Drawer underneath. So I enjoyed using this kitchen. I used this kitchen for 2 weeks to cook. Of course, I also did takeout too, especially when I was super busy. Drawers. And it just was nice prep space. One-piece sink. Beautiful. Decent storage and access to the plumbing under the sink. So you could put a nice sized pot, pan, trash can, anything you'd like. Then you got your pantry. And then your residential refrigerator, which still has some of my food in it. Got to take that out before the customer that bought it takes possession. and pull out drawer freezer. Okay. The other really interesting thing is this extension bar area can be used for prep. Can be used as a little dining area, maybe a little area to sit and talk while you're having coffee and somebody's preparing breakfast. That's what I kind of imagine. Theater seatings. Now let's take a quick minute to talk about the sponsor of this channel, Three Pigeons. They sent me this amazing backpack. Now what I love about this backpack, guys, is how many pockets it has. Now I'm going to Oregon the weekend after Easter, and I'm also going fishing, so I'm going to feature every single product that has been sent to me to be talked about. All of my sponsors' products are going with me to be field tested. But I love the quality of the backpack. It's very well put together. And if you're interested in it, I'm going to put the link to it in the description box below. Now, you also have theater seating all the way across. 2 manual recliners, 2 electric recliners. And they're not heated, but you get a little pull-out cup holder. And then going above, you got deep cabinets. There is no waste of space in this fifth wheel toy hauler. Now, let me give you a little background, because I do have a little bit of a soft spot for the guy that owns this, because he built the Bighorn, Landmark, Cyclone, and Road Warrior toy haulers back in the day when I first got started. And if you're a fan of the pardon me, if you're a fan of the podcast, you know I always call the old Landmarks and Bighorns the ugly ducklings. They were built like tanks. They were built for full timing. They just were butt ugly. Okay? But awesome toy hauler, awesome fifth wheels. And now you could tell they've taken a lot of the concepts from what they came with Bighorn, Landmark, and they've put it into their own company. And it looks great. I mean, one thing, like, there's plenty of studs all the way around. Like, it'll be easy to put a stackable washer dryer there. It's got all the remotes, including the awning, right in one spot, not scatterbrained. Okay. The half bath is pushed inward, so that way you could fit your side-by-side, which is only 11-foot garage. So a 2-seat side-by-side, your motorcycle, things of that nature. Okay. Then you have your queen-size bunk bed and your dinette, windows on each side, 3 seasons doors, and the patio gate. It also has the rail system for tie-downs rather than tie-downs itself, which that means you get to pick and choose where you tie down your motorcycle, your golf cart, your side-by-side. Several advantages to this rail system. Unlike where other manufacturers just put random, strap downs, you can actually put your toy in the way you want to and tie it down securely the way you want to. So again, outside the box thinking. Okay, now we're heading over to this little area right here. I took out this because I was actually working on the fuses and trying to figure all the fuses. Ooh, look. Somebody left brochures. Oh, there's the keys and stuff. Good storage underneath. Fabulous. Sorry. I got excited. I love the shower. So I used this shower several times. The water pressure off the water pump was amazing. I mean, you guys know I've stayed in some trailers on this lot, and this was the best water pressure I've had off the water pump. It was awesome. Look at this. Very deep cabinet up here. It's pushed inward. It's not a little tiny thing. The medicine cabinet isn't all that, but hey, can't have everything. Don't pay attention to the dirty sink. Very little storage in the bathroom outside of that one cabinet, but the toilet's in a great position. You don't feel like you're claustrophobic. Now, TV, stay away from my lotion. Don't get any thoughts. Drawers, very wide, deep, good for clothes. And then there's this humongous closet right here that also has washer dryer prep. So pretty cool. Now, The customer who traded this in had a king size mattress in this unit. So you could fit a king in here. This is a queen from actually the fifth wheel that they bought from us. So they just swapped it out because they could fit a king. We modified it to fit a king in the other fifth wheel. Okay. But what I love about it is the plugs on each side, including 12 volt. You got lights above, all blackout shades. Now realize this has 3 air conditioners. That's right, folks. 3 air conditioners. So I'm very impressed. I'm really jealous. If you have any questions, my contact information through social media and my email is in the description box below. Also, the 3 Pigeons link is in the description box below. Don't forget about the merchandise store. And in the top right hand corner, I have another amazing luxury fifth wheel toy hauler that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. Remember, toolkit and sense of humor.